Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today we got fun size project. So I know not most of you guys have met me, but I am 5'2" and I love my van. But there's always been this one thing that has drove me nuts, and it's I have to have my seat all the way forward to put it on the gas pedal. And that makes me very nervous sitting that close to the airbag, especially when it comes out so fast. Fun size, not small. So I jumped online because I recently hurt my foot, and me pushing all the way where my foot has to go all the way down like this, it still hurts that tendon. Project! Now I bought this product with my own money. It is a pedal extender. So instructions, not very good. But what instructions are? Just a few pages, boom. Okay. We got the brake pedal, which I don't think I'll be using this, but this is the brake pedal. These two plates come apart, and then you can adjust by Allen wrenches here. But we're going to put that back in here because I don't need the brake. The brake pedal is pretty high. This one is the one that I ordered this for. And I'm not for sure where this little guy just came from. Okay, there's two of them. We're gonna leave them alone. It's supposed to slip on the gas pedal, and then I should be able to do that. Now, they did come with, if you need longer bracket, you can change out this little bracket and put in a bigger one. So depending on how fun size you are, you can exchange that out. I don't think I will need these, but we're going to put them in there, one for the brake and one for the gas. Got some tools, 2 Allen wrenches, and I'm going to tell you right now, I think it's great that they send these little tools, but I've never had real good luck with these kind of tools, so I'm going to get an open wrench. Let's go install this. So this is my gas pedal. And this is pretty much where I have to have there's quite a difference in gap between this pedal and this pedal. And I'm literally right here with. So today we're going to fix this problem. So when I drive, I have to extend this all the way out to get on it. Let's move the seat back. Now we got some room to work. So the idea is to slide this up like that. And then tighten that down. Now that brings it out a lot. So I'm going to remove this bracket and just put this to this. Let's do that before we get down there. They did provide all the tools, which is super nice. And I will be using the Allen wrench. We'll take this one off. We'll do it this way. It's a beautiful thing about Allen wrenches. You can use them either end. I'm going to remove this, and then we're just going to put, bam. We're going to put that together. Let's do it this way. And I really like that they've welded on the nuts, less parts to be losing and hanging onto, and you can really tighten this down. because this is my gas pedal. So we want this to be really tight. It just slides up here.
Right.
All right, now we're going to slide this up here. So, and it's going to sit just like that. Let's tighten these up, and then we can take it for a test drive. We want to make sure that these are super tight because this is my gas pedal. We don't want to be driving down the road and have an issue. We don't want to be causing any accidents. All right. That feels like it's on there. So now, test drive time. Okay, so now I'm sitting in my van with the extender, and it's not such a gap no more. And now I'm sitting back away, and I probably could sit even further, but we'll try this out. All right, let's try this out. We're driving. Ooh, I like that. Before, I was going all the way down like this. That's nice. Yeah, buddy. We'll go, oh yeah. And it's not loose. Yeah, that's much easier. I could probably even put my seat back some. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I like that. So, if you're fun size like me, or if you're just getting a kick out of this video, make sure that you're hitting the subscribe button and check out all the rest of the things I've done with this van. But if you're interested in these pedal extenders, then I will link them in the video down below. They were relatively pretty cheap. It did come with the brake and the gas pedal. I don't know if you can get just the gas pedal. That's all I'm going to use because, as you can see, that makes them pretty even. This gas pedal was up pretty high. And it allows me to sit further away from the airbag, which is very important. When the airbags deploy, they deploy at like 100 miles an hour. You do not want to be sitting right upon the airbags. So that's why it's a great idea to have your seat back as far as you possibly can so that you will not be hit with the airbags as hard. Thank you all for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you guys at trivia night at 8 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And YouTube has decided that depending on what you've been watching, that you would like to watch this next video right here. So click into that, and I'll see you down the road.